child support and cryptocurrencies. What you need to know: cryptocurrencies have become increasingly popular over the past decade. Many individuals use crypto as a form of investment or as a means of conducting transactions. As cryptocurrencies continue to gain mainstream acceptance, questions continue to rise regarding how child support agencies across the U.S. will handle crypto accounts when it comes to enforcing child support obligations. In this article, we will explore the current state of child support and cryptocurrencies. This will include whether or not child support agencies can seize or levy crypto accounts, the measures put in place for cryptocurrency holders that owe back child support, and the ways that cryptocurrency holders can protect their assets. We'll cover 5 of the most commonly asked questions about child support and cryptocurrency. Thanks to ChatGTP, let's get started.
Question number 1. Can child support agencies seize or levy crypto accounts? Child support agencies have the authority to collect child support payments from a variety of sources. This includes wages, bank accounts, and other assets. Yet, the question still remains whether or not child support agencies can seize or levy crypto accounts. The answer to this question is not clear-cut, as it depends on the state in which the cryptocurrency holder resides. It also depends on the specific circumstances of the case. Question number 2. What measures are put in place for cryptocurrency holders that owe back child support? Some states have already taken steps to address the issue of child support and cryptocurrencies. For example, the state of Wisconsin has passed legislation that allows child support agencies to seize and sell crypto assets in order to pay child support arrears. Other states are likely to at least consider similar measures. Question number 3. How can cryptocurrency holders protect their assets? Cryptocurrency holders who owe back child support may have concerns about the potential for their crypto assets to be seized. One option for protecting assets is to use a cold storage wallet. Storing digital assets on a physical device that stores the private keys needed to access the crypto assets offline makes it more difficult for child support agencies to seize the assets. Child support agencies would need physical access to the device. Question number 4. Are there any states that are further along in the child support and cryptocurrency laws? Child support laws vary from state to state. Some states may be further along in addressing the issue of child support and cryptocurrencies. For example, the state of Illinois has created a task force to study the impact of cryptocurrencies on child support enforcement. Based on the studies conducted by the task force, recommendations will be made as to how the state of Illinois should proceed. Finally, question number 5. What are states and child support agencies suggesting at the moment? At the moment, states and child support agencies are still tussling with the issue of child support and cryptocurrencies. Some agencies have suggested that cryptocurrency holders who owe child support should voluntarily disclose their assets. The child support agencies also suggested that cryptocurrency holders who owe child support should work with the agency to establish a payment plan. Other states and child support agencies may take a more aggressive approach and seek to seize assets. In addition, some cryptocurrency holders may consider a longer-term strategy for addressing child support obligations or arrears. One possible strategy is to invest in regulated tokens with real-world use cases, holding them for several years. By doing this, in the future, a cryptocurrency holder can potentially build a significant amount of wealth that can be used to cover child support obligations and asset taxes. For example, someone who owes child support arrears could invest in a couple of startup projects with real utility, then hold on to their investment for several years. As these projects grow and mature, their value could potentially increase significantly. If this were the case, the investor could sell their tokens and cover their child support obligations. Of course, this strategy is not without risk. Understand that investing in startups carries inherent risks. However, this may be a viable option for those who are willing to take on some calculated risk in order to address their child support obligations in the long term. For cryptocurrency holders who owe child support, ultimately, it's important to work with their child support agency and seek legal advice in order to fully understand their rights and obligations. This will help to develop a plan that works for individual child support circumstances.
As cryptocurrencies continue to gain mainstream acceptance, it's important for cryptocurrency holders who owe child support or child support arrears to understand their rights and obligations. While the issues of child support and cryptocurrencies are still evolving, it's clear that child support agencies are taking steps to address the issue and collect on child support obligations as well as outstanding arrears. Cryptocurrency holders can navigate this complex landscape and fulfill their child support obligations by staying informed and taking proactive measures to protect their digital or crypto assets.